little unexpected surprise. Went to pour myself a Raspberry Hefeweizen and only got air coming out. That's because somehow almost probably about 14 litres has fucking emptied itself into the bottom of the Keezer. So thanks a fucking lot for that. So I'm not actually too sure what it was which has gone wrong. But that is covered in, I don't know, I might have to do some kind of diagnostic on this. But that's certainly fucking ruined my night, I can tell you. I have to have something else. That's not the easiest way to show how much is in there, but fucking loads is the answer. So I think, actually that torch is on a bit too bright. I think all this is going to have to come out and give it a good clean. Well, now, hang on. I did pour myself a Constellation beer. This is the Timmy inspired New England IPA, which looks a bit kind of like shit in this light. That's better. Alright girls, right, were I to hazard a guess, I would probably say that this is loose. If I can get my fingers on there. I can't do it one-handed, but yeah, look, I reckon that wasn't tightened enough, and probably through use it's loosened itself off, and then moving kegs around inside when you replace them and clean the lines and all that sort of stuff, I think that's just leaked from there. So that's probably, I ain't had many out of there. But, probably 6 pints at the most. So there's about 30 in the bottom of the fucking Keezer. Oh well, fuck it. You know what? No one died, but could have done without that. Good job we got no parties coming up. I'm gonna have to make that again though. As far as wheat beers go, that was cock on. Anyway, cheers, eh? The girls love it. Also today, I've reset the inverter on the boat. Those who follow this nonsense will know we've been having problems with it, and it hasn't started beeping. One thing I did notice was the trip switch tripped, and this plug here was full of water. This is a weatherproof plug, but it's not a weatherproof socket. What I did was I replaced the outlet over there, 32 amp. I haven't done the 16 amp yet. I will do at some point, I expect. I replaced the 32 with a weatherproof outlet, and then the lead I replaced with weatherproof 32 amp connectors on each end, but that inlet into there is still a non-weatherproof one. So I went today and got this, 32 amp inlet, and we were looking at it, and it was all wrapped in, you know, shrink wrap. I was looking at it, I ain't got any fucking pins. So we unwrapped it, and I thought, and I'm looking down there, and everyone in the shop's going, oh, that's faulty, we'll have to send it back. And I was looking in there, and I was saying, actually, do you know what? That looks a bit weird to me. That looks like it's inside out. And indeed, it was. So for transport, what they do is put it in the wrong way. So then you've got to connect it, shove it in the hole. But the other thing is, it came on this fucking huge box. Now I reckon there's a neoprene seal here. I reckon I can just put that, in fact, let's go and have a look, because I haven't had a chance yet to do this. Bleeding out, it's cold. I reckon that can be a straight-ish, almost nearly. I mean, obviously the holes aren't going to be in the same fucking place, because that would be too easy. Oops. And it ain't far out, but it's not close enough, I don't think. No. So, no. Well, why would it be? Oops, sorry. Why would it be that easy? So I'm gonna have to fill those holes. What I'll do is I'll take this off, the non-weatherproof. I'll take that off, put some screws in and glue them in, and then cut them off and grind it down and repaint this, and then put this on in this place. Oh, fucking hell. Jesus. I'll fucking edit that out. Right. So all in all, one thing after fucking another, isn't it? I'm really pissed off with this. But gives me an excuse to start brewing again at the weekend. Right, there we are. I'll have a few of these tonight, Timmy. God, I deserve it. Until next time, if you use corny kegs, check that everything is as tight, as fresh as wallet. Right, that's it, boys and girls. Later.